sa conference there sa Maranatha, freed me from my vices. I was involved sa mga involved inom before. Grabe kayo kung inom mo so
I met Jesus. There was this holy encounter that I cannot explain, and I used to be a drug addict. I used to, I was an alcoholic. I used to party out there in the world. I used to play in a band, but it was all selfishness, and it was really out of kind of own satisfaction. But when God was revealed to me, when Jesus was revealed to me on the cross and what He has done on the cross for me, I have been changed, and suddenly I'm not harsh anymore. Suddenly life became easier, and everything became positive, and it all became, I'm still having fun. It's still adventurous, but it's all clean fun, and knowing that I am on God's side now. I'm really happy that I've joined these conferences, because this is where I met Jesus, and I can really see that I'm really changed, and right now I am really used. I can feel it, that I am used by the Lord so that my family as well will know God, will know Him, and will also be with Him and experience this freedom and healing of emotions, so that we can be free and we can be with Jesus.